Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a Visa gift card into cash instantly using different working methods. So let's get started. One of the easiest ways is selling your Visa gift card. You can sell it to a friend, family member, or list it on trusted online marketplaces. Once someone buys it, you receive cash directly through your preferred payment method. Another option is using an ATM if your Visa gift card supports PIN access. First, check the card details to confirm ATM withdrawals are allowed. Then set up your PIN if needed. Insert the card into any Visa supported ATM and withdraw cash just like a regular debit card. You can also purchase a money order using your Visa gift card from certain stores. Once purchased, simply deposit the money order into your bank account. A practical method is paying your bills directly with the card. You can use it for electricity, internet, mobile recharge, or streaming services. You can also use the card for shopping like groceries, gas, restaurant meals, or online purchases. While this doesn't give physical cash, it saves the money you would normally spend. Another smart option is buying products with the card and then reselling them for cash. This may take a little more time, but it's an effective way to turn the balance into real money. You can also link the Visa gift card to digital wallets like PayPal or Venmo. After adding it as a payment method, you can transfer the balance and then withdraw it to your bank account. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to turn your Visa gift card into cash quickly.